Welcome to the second episode of XenonHunt tutorial series. In this video I am going to show you how to download and log in to the XenonHunt extension on Google Chrome. Open your Google search engine and search for XenonHunt extension. Click on our Chrome Web Store link and it will redirect you to the extension page. Now click on the Add to Chrome button. A dialog box will open and click on Add Extension. Wait for the extension to download and install. Once the extension is installed, click on the extension icon at the top right corner of your browser. Click on the pin icon to pin it. Click on the extension icon again. A dialog box will open and it will ask you for additional permissions. Click on Allow. It will redirect you to the Daraz page and a dialog box will open, asking you to log in to the extension. Press on Open Login page. If you don't have a XenonHunt account, create one by clicking on the link in the description below. Enter your login credentials and hit the Login button. You will be redirected to the XenonHunt dashboard page and your extension will be automatically authenticated. Here click on the Start Product Hunting button and it will redirect you to the Daraz website. You are now ready to start your product hunting with XenonHunt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Press the bell icon to not miss any future videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. See you in the next video.